Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called passive data. Passive data is the data gathered without the involvement of the data provider. The participant who is a data provider may not even know that the data is being captured. Unlike active data, passive data is completely objective. Examples of passive data collections could be internet browsers, websites, mobile phones. Passive data collection may require sophisticated computer applications or simply reviewing the historical data. When is this passive data needed? When you need to ask for same information multiple times. This is because values or data points are dynamic, which change every time. Data from a number of sources is required, maybe from many people, numerous processes. Current data is required. You want to check quickly the difference in the behavior following the introduction of improvement or changes. Advantages of using passive data collection could be it provide a better representation of preferences and future behaviors of individuals. It may be employees, clients, than their own conscious decision expressed in surveys, interviews, etc. As it turns out, people are not so good at assessing and predicting their own behavior. Passive data makes it possible to objectively measure user experience, the duration and frequency of specific activities, preferences, and their habits. It can provide incomparably some more example of the same phenomenon over a short period of time. Thanks for watching. Bye.